It's honestly a good show. Hungarian Hiccups. Well, part 7 to part 8. I shut the see. Let's get started again.
Hungarian Hiccups. Art by Henri Rousseau. And music by Johannes Brahms. Way to go, Rocket! Spectacular! Great flying, Rocket! Yeehaw! Hi, I'm Liam, and this is our best friend, Rocket. Today, Rocket is going to win the Great Sky Race. Rocket, there's the starting line. Whoa, look at the planes. And jets. And helicopters. We know you're gonna win, Rocket. You're the fastest, coolest rocket ever. Rocket is really, really fast.
I think you do.
Fast? Wow. Rocket is singing his special race
This is what we love at this side of the route. This is the and this is the remedy. Oh, this is action. Sorry. I think I'm gonna go see. Just because it's a contest, they're scared.
Wow, he's so fast. Don't be nervous.
Oh, let's see, Rocket. The guy is race.
I know it.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Huh? Rocket, what are you doing? Stop fooling around, Rocket. You've got to get ready for the Great Sky Race. Wait a minute. Rocket has the hiccups. You ever had the hiccups? Rocket's never had the hiccups before. Rocket?
Rocket, this man. We have to practice.
Every time Rocket hiccups, he goes backwards. But the race is going to start soon. Rocket can't be in the Great Sky Race with Rocket hiccups. But how do you fix
See, I hate hiccups.
Stopping Rocket hiccups must be sort of like stopping Kid hiccups. When I get the hiccups, Leo sneaks up behind me and yells, "Boo!" That surprises my hiccups away. That's a great idea, Annie.
Hey.
We've got a mission. We're going to surprise the hiccups out of Rocket's
nothing, you.
Yay! How should we surprise Rocket? I've got an idea. We'll sneak up behind Rocket and crash cymbals. That's sure to surprise him. Good thinking, Quincy. But where can we find...
I shouldn't go to saying it again. Oh, it's the fire out. Rocket, this time. Come on, you know what I'm gonna do.
Come on. Welcome aboard.
Signals on. Let's do it.
We're going to need a lot of power to blast off.
So let's add the hiccups. Rocket, answer the questions of the end.
But we need more.
What? Sweet after the water, it's gonna be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We're here. Ooh, look at all the lovely instruments.
Oops, I'm sorry. There is something else. What's happening?
Whoops. We really need to do something about these hiccups. Come on, let's find the symbols. Rocket? I see violins and drums and cellos, but I don't
It's simple.
see symbols. I can hear the symbols.
Try to say your symbols.
Yeah, there they are. Those symbols are loud. They're sure to surprise Rocket. We have to catch them. Annie.
U-T.
Okie dokie. Rocket, lower the clapper catcher. That was awesome, Annie. Great. Okay, guys. Now we can surprise Rocket's hiccups away. Rocket, let's head for land. Wait here.
Don't worry, the rocket. Okay, you back.
Well, you
That's a surprise, rocket. Excellent. With what symbols this? Now crap is symbols. Crap.
That was nice loud clapping. Now shh. Ready.
I hear something.
Very quiet. And when we clap our cymbals, clap your
Clap
cymbals
it
with
like
us.
this.
Ready?
Right.
Let's practice.
Good boy. We hear the sound.
Shh.
I can just heard.
Ready?
Ready? Alright, something to be.
Wait, another symbol.
Are you ready to play outside? Do this, do this, do this, do this, do this. We got to do this,
Does he still have the hiccups?
You're right. There's the hiccups are hard to do.
Don't worry, Rocket.
Keyword.
Wait for you to fly in the great sky race. What do we do?
This is the last keyword.
Yeah, a bigger surprise should stop Rocket's hiccups. I have an idea. Big animal, like a tiger. That will surprise Rocket. That's a fantastic idea, Annie.
We have got to go to the jungle.
Let's go to Rocket! Yeah!
It's the Great Sky Race starting line. It's almost time for the race.
Oh, I see, guys.